Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Cookbook for smart contract development on Conflux eSpace. In today's video, we'll provide an overview of what Cookbook is, its key features, and a step-by-step guide on using it to deploy smart contracts on Conflux eSpace using Remix IDE. Cookbook is a great resource for developers working with Solidity on EVM-compatible blockchains. It offers a comprehensive collection of tools and resources that facilitate the development of smart contracts. Cookbook is an open-source smart contract registry that provides developers with access to Solidity primitives, libraries, and smart contracts across EVM-compatible blockchains. It's integrated with various blockchain-native developer tools, making it a quick and easy way to start developing smart contracts. Some key features of Cookbook include search and import, easily locate and open smart contracts in your preferred development environment, integrated development tools, plugins for Remix and VS Code, along with boilerplate code templates for easy setup, Chef GPT, an AI assistant designed to help in the development of smart contracts, no-code deploy and expanded view, options for deploying contracts without writing code, and an expanded view for a better understanding of the code. This tutorial guides you through deploying a DeFi token on Conflux eSpace Testnet using Remix IDE. The smart contract we will deploy is based on FEG token, which has deflationary tokenomics and reflections as its main features. Before initiating the deployment, confirm you have test tokens from an eSpace faucet to cover any necessary deployment fees. Start visiting Cookbook.dev and explore various deployment options for your contract. Select the contract to deploy. In the Get Cookin section, find the deployment method using Remix IDE and select this option to proceed. Remix IDE will open in a new tab and may request permission to operate correctly. Within the contract, locate the lines defining the token's name and symbol, initially set to FEG token and FEG. Update these to your chosen values. For example, MyDefi token and MDT, and save the changes. Click the Solidity compiler icon in Remix IDE's left panel. Ensure the compiler version aligns with the version stated in the selected smart contract, and then compile it. Navigate to deploy and run transactions. In the Environment dropdown, select Injected Provider, MetaMask. It will request to connect your account. Then, choose feg.sol from the list and click Deploy. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. After deployment, Remix will confirm the transaction and your contract will appear under Deployed Contracts. Copy the deployed contract's address and add the new token to your MetaMask wallet through the Import Tokens process, ensuring the details match. To transfer tokens, use MetaMask's Send button. Specify the recipient, the token, and the amount, and confirm the transaction. Now, we can use the smart contract address and look for it on Conflux Scan to find all its details. Here we'll see the information about the contract and the transactions we just made, the contract creation, and the token transfer. Before we conclude, we encourage you to explore further resources on our developer portal. Visit our documentation for more in-depth content and guides. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on using Cookbook for smart contract development. For any questions or further discussion, don't hesitate to join our community and contact us.